Smart glasses are more than just lenses. They have small computers that processes information and display the result in real time so that only the wearer can see. This might include information on an incoming call, a GPS route to reach a destination, or even subtitles to access the desk. When we talk about AR or augmented reality glasses, we focus on eyewear that has the technology on board to merge what you see in the real world with virtual information, usually overlaid one of the glasses lenses that could recreating the kind of screens and features you would find on your smartphones, like navigation for maps or flashing up notifications.
From Facebooking, YouTube, internet browsing to photos, video capture or live maps, today we're going to show you all these fancy works and feature-packed glasses that will blow your mind. So let's jump into the video. Huawei X Gentle Monster Eyewear 2. Lighter than the previous, like the previous designs, the Eyewear 2 lets you connect to your smartphone, iOS or Android to stream music, take calls and access your phone's voice assistant. What's new is the sound experience, which has been stepped up with a louder and larger loudspeaker, as well as semi-open speakers on each temple that transmit sound clearly and directly to your ear. You won't have to worry about other people hearing your playlists either. Besides reducing sound leakage, the Eyewear 2 automatically lowers the volume based on the ambient sound of wherever you happen to be. In other words, you can listen to your favorite pop singer in peace. You can pair the glasses with your phone by simply pinching the left temple or double tap it to call your voice assistant. Swiping the temples lets you choose between tracks or adjust the volume. And if you take the glasses off, they'll automatically pause your music, only resuming when you put them back on. The Eyewear 2 also comes with much better battery life for you to enjoy all of that. Think 5 hours of streaming music on a single charge. Speaking of, you can now conveniently do so with NFC contactless and wireless fast charging options. The glasses will also display their battery level on your phone when you put them on after a while. iPhone for your eyes. Apple is the name of the new world. With this Apple A1 Smart Glass is the name of the fascination of modern life. We got all the great devices from Apple like iPod, iPad and iPhone. Currently associated with it, Apple glasses or eyeglasses. So what are we going to get out of this? Internet browsing without a smartphone, notification alert or message reading, live map feature. Proper camera implementation will capture the great moment as well as enhance its beauty through distance tracking, which we have seen in the newly launched iPhone 12 Pro. You can play music if you want, but it will not have earphones. You'll need iPods to listen. Also, among the phone's expected features will be a 3D camera on the back that will help map out space and objects around it. Fancy technology is being put into the glass to keep pace with Apple's larger plans for new hardware in 2020. Notable among which in Apple's common feature, Siri voice assistant will have glass interaction with this feature. On the other hand, like the Apple Watch Store, it will also have a glass door for the app. The display of games in the glass can become one of the focal points of attractions. Up next we have Orion Facebook Smart Glass. So, Facebook on your face. No, it's not a joke. They're happening and they're going to launch the glass in 2020. Mark Zuckerberg confirmed that the company will be launching its first AR glasses and has collaborated with luxury eyewear brand Luxottica, and the specs will be Ray-Ban branded. Facebook has shared some videos to give us an idea of what these glasses could be capable of. So things like locating keys you've misplaced, overlaying a more interesting running environment, and navigation that could not only get what you want to be but also find things quicker inside of shops. Maybe the day's not far away when you will be using Facebook without a smartphone just by a wink. You can share instantly what you see live in front of your eyes. And the interesting thing is that Facebook says the glass will be like all other ordinary glasses, to your liking, so that you don't look weird or like an alien. But what about privacy? As we have seen before, Facebook is in the throes of a privacy breaching. What do you think? Will they be able to overcome this? What should be considered? Let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel to be the first one to know what other exciting features are coming after its launch event.